Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best universal table saw stands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the portable table saw stand with 330 pounds load capacity. If you're a professional craftsman or a hobbyist seeking a reliable table saw stand that combines portability with robust support, the portable table saw stand with a 330 pounds load capacity might be your ideal choice. It's constructed from heavy-duty alloy steel, ensuring stability and durability. The stand features 8-inch rubber wheels, making it easy to move across job sites. With adjustable mounting plates, it accommodates various table saws. Users appreciate its compact, folding design for easy storage and quick assembly. Despite minor alignment issues, it remains stable during operation, letting you cut large woods confidently. Rated 4.5 stars by satisfied users, it's a dependable choice. Moving on at number 4, we have the POWERTEC MT4009 Rolling Table Saw Stand. The POWERTEC MT4009 Rolling Table Saw Stand is a versatile, heavy-duty, and portable solution designed to provide a stable working platform for table saws and other benchtop tools. Built with a rugged steel frame and equipped with large transport wheels, it combines durability with excellent mobility, making it ideal for both workshops and job sites. At number 3, we have the VEVOR Portable Table Saw Stand. Looking for a reliable and portable table saw stand? The VEVOR Portable Table Saw Stand with rolling foldable design is a top choice. Supporting up to 350 pounds, its heavy-duty steel frame guarantees stability for your projects. Weighing only 26.7 pounds, it's easy to maneuver with two 8-inch anti-slip rubber wheels. The stand fits most table saw brands, offering adjustable installation from 17.44 x 8.87 inches to 22.64 x 19.1 inches. A handy release lever allows quick folding for compact storage. Plus, clear instructions make setup a breeze. Enjoy peace of mind with a 30-day return guarantee. At number 2, we have the DEWALT DWE74911 Rolling Table Saw Stand. You'll find the DEWALT DWE74911 Rolling Table Saw Stand to be ideal if you value portability without sacrificing durability. With its lightweight yet sturdy steel construction, it handles transport with ease. It's compatible with several DEWALT saw models, and its large wheels make maneuvering over stairs effortless. Though assembly can be tricky, user tips and YouTube guides simplify the process. Once set up, it offers a stable working height and folds neatly for storage. Rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, users appreciate its solid build and portability despite some assembly challenges. This stand is a top choice for serious DIYers. And finally, at number 1, we have the TOMAX TMMS051 Rolling Foldable Table Saw Stand. For those seeking a versatile and portable table saw stand, the TOMAX TMMS051 Rolling Foldable Table Saw Stand stands out as an excellent choice. With its quick fold mechanism and 8-inch wheels, you can effortlessly transport it wherever needed. Weighing just 39.9 pounds, it boasts a robust 330-pound weight capacity thanks to its heavy-duty steel construction. Its rectangular prism shape guarantees stability, while the pedestal base adds to its sturdy design. You won't need to worry about assembly. It's ready to use straight out of the box. With positive reviews praising its durability and portability, it's a reliable addition to your toolkit. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.